Oh yeah, me again. I'm recording off of my phone this time, as I've had a bit of a problem with my GoPro 9. She overheated, melted, as you can see the end cable. And as you can see, the GoPro is quite bad. I pulled all the bits out. I've actually got the bit there that I had to pull out with a pair of pliers. And but yeah, she overheated, and it was just on the normal USB 2 port, the middle one, which I've used all the time for my GoPros. Anyway, I bought it off CEX, so gave their customer support a go. And to be fair, they took 2 weeks, and they basically said no chance. My own fault, pretty much. So this morning I contacted GoPro themselves, customer services, and they were fantastic. Didn't mess about or nothing. Just sent me an RMA and said they'd get a replacement to me as soon as I get this one back to them. At their cost. No cost to me whatsoever. So yeah, so from GoPro, it's an absolute fantastic service. So very happy. Anyway, get out and ride. Remember, stay safe.